In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable scenario automations in Freshdesk and macros. Scenario automations, often called macros, let you bundle repetitive actions into a single click so your team can handle tickets faster and more consistently. We'll walk through setting one up from scratch, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way to keep your workflows clean and reliable. Start by heading to the admin section in your Freshdesk account. Under Agent Productivity, select Scenario Automations. This is the control center where all your existing scenarios live and where you'll create new ones. If you manage multiple workspaces or brands, just be sure you're in the right place before you proceed so the scenario applies where you expect it to. Next, click New Scenario. This opens the builder where you define exactly what you want the macro to do. Begin with the name and description. Choose a clear, action-focused title. Something like Refund and Close works well because it tells agents exactly what to expect. In the description, spell out the purpose in a sentence or two. Think of it as documentation for your future self and your teammates, so there's no confusion about when to use it. Now add the actions you want to run automatically. These are the steps Freshdesk will execute the moment the scenario is applied. For example, you might set the ticket status to resolved, set the type to refund, and add the tag refunded. This combination standardizes your resolution process, classifies the ticket for reporting, and keeps your tags consistent. When choosing actions, align them with your internal workflows and naming conventions so your dashboards and automations stay accurate. You can also add a comment. This is where a canned response shines. Insert a polished reply that explains the resolution, outlines next steps if needed, and maintains your brand tone. Using placeholders like the customer's first name helps personalize the message while saving time. Keep it concise, friendly, and clear about what was done on the ticket. Decide who can use this scenario by setting availability. Choose myself if it's a personal shortcut, agents in a specific group if only a certain team should use it, or all agents if it's a global standard. Picking the right scope prevents clutter and ensures the scenario appears only where it's relevant. Finally, click Save. Your scenario is now ready to use, and you can always return here to refine the name, actions, or availability as your processes evolve.